Estevez. Okay, page boy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OmgHerHair. They were kind of to send me another unit to review for you guys. As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Yeah, shorty in the back, she said she working on the glutes. Shorty in the back, she said she working on the glutes. Shorty in the back, she said she working on the glutes. Hey, she's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did have a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, like a light, like a light. Slept through the flight, not for the night. Out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, Pastor Johnson, Shelly, sending texts, me sending kites. Yeah, he said keep that on like I say, you know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with Boo. Stop a ride, jump a juice. Yeah, we back on the road, they jumping off no parachute. Yeah, shorty in the back, she said she working on the glutes. Yeah, by the book. Yeah, it's how it look. Yeah, about to check. Yeah, just check the foots. Yeah, pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama cover floors, got these other bitches shook. Yeah.
Okay, let me move this out the way so we can get started on this styling of this hair. Okay, now today's sip and slay is a little different because your girl is sick. I know you can hear it in my voice, okay? I know you can hear it. So no wine today, even though I want to do like a little mimosa with some orange juice. That's good, right? So I got my lemon honey tea in my mug and I'm gonna drink and drink and drink until I get rid of all this because it's rough, y'all. It's rough. I don't like being sick. I'm a big baby when it comes to being sick. I don't like it. I'd rather sleep all day, and that's what I've been doing. So like I said, this unit comes to us from OmgHerHair. It is their short pixie cut bob. It comes in a natural color, and the starting and only price for this unit is $139. There's a coupon code or a sale going on. You know, it'll be listed down below, so make sure you guys catch that sale or that coupon code if there is one, okay? This unit only comes in 8 inches with a 4.5 inches of parting space across the front. It also has a pre-plucked hairline and bleached knots across the front hairline, as well as the parting space that did come in the unit. It was a left side part. No, so I wasn't going to keep that, so I decided to go ahead and just push her on back to give myself a right side part when necessary, okay? As you saw in the put down, I did have to go in and pluck the hairline to my liking just because I wanted to pluck it a little bit more. Plucking is not mandatory, but if you want to do it and give it a more natural look for your hairline, I definitely suggest going in and plucking your unit, okay? Let's go ahead and take this joint off. I don't really do a whole bunch of pixies or shortcuts just because I feel like they look weird on my head. Emilio Estevez. Okay, page boy. I feel like I belong in a 90s boy band.
Backstreet's back, all right.
Where's my comb? Here you go, right in my face. Okay, so the unit went down pretty nicely. The unit does come with the 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the middle, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. If you want to use the elastic band that comes with this unit to make the unit glueless, you can definitely do that. I decided to glue mine down just for the fit and look that I wanted. And I would say this unit is big head friendly, but it's like a perfect fit. If you have any type of ponytail or whatever in the back of your head, it's not going to fit right. My hair is flat under my unit, so that's why it's fitting on my head. It was a little short here on the side. The way I sprayed down the unit, you can't really tell because I kind of brought the hair a little bit forward. But normally I want my lace to be, you know, kind of in front of my hairline just because I don't like to put the spray or glue or anything else on my actual edges. I'm trying to keep my edges, okay? So it's really giving me 90s heartthrob. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. So I'm just gonna use my flat iron here and I'm gonna do the curls every which way. I want the I want my unit to have like a messy look. That's what I'm going for, okay? So I'm just gonna curl it like that, okay? I'm just putting the curls all over, okay? Nothing crazy. Let me put my glasses on so I can make sure I can see. Okay, and I'm just putting curls all over, y'all. It's no rhyme or reason to the curls. They just curls all over. That's it. That's it. I'm alternating how I'm curling it, so forward and backwards. Okay, Gonna make sure the front is done. I gotta do this one forward. Let me get my part. Let me use my wax stick. Get these flyaways under control. Get a little short up in here. I'm gonna use my blow dryer to flatten this out because I don't have my hot comb readily available. Okay, so now I'm going to use my razor and I'm going to take some of the hair from here. I want it to be a little bit shorter on this side. I'm trying to give it like a beach wave bob look, if that makes any sense. So I need you to use the scissors to shape this up in the back. See how it's kind of like jagged on the sides?
What am I looking at?
The back of my hair. Not my hair. Now you see my hair is curly under there, right? Yeah, so don't cut my hair. You know what I'm saying though?
Yeah.
Like don't cut too much off. I just want it to be at least shaped. I was not breathing. Don't keep cutting and cutting and cutting, because I know you'll just keep cutting and I'll end up being bald back there. Just cut enough so it's out of shape. That's it. So get this part right here. See the little thing right here?
Yeah.
Or you just hold it down with your hand, babe, and let it, yeah. This razor, use this side. And see how this part's sticking up right here? Just comb it across there to get that to be flat. It's gonna cut it, it's fine. I just wanted to razor get shaped down to my head. See how it's coming off? Yeah. Okay. Are you having fun? You were having fun?
No.
Kenny?
That's what I'm saying. What do I do with his hair?
You get it off of me! Oh, you just made it worse.
Should I blow it?
No! Get out of here.
Okay.
Thank you. Hold on. Let me blend my hairline down. I am going to do some little swoops. I wanted to have a certain look, the look that I'm going for anyway. So. Okay, so we are back and we're going to get our little baby hair situation together, swoops, whatever you want to call them. Y'all see just how a little bit of lashes and earrings and jewelry to change a shirt just makes a look come together? Y'all see that? Y'all see? I know y'all see it. I know you see it. This one is too long. Let me use some mousse instead of the gel. Come on, I don't want to lie. I just want a little bit. Just give me something. There we go. God dang. Put the rest up there. But I want it to look like it's just sitting there. That's the look that I'm going for. This is a little up in the back. I'm gonna put some edge control right there. Just to put that down. Okay. Now let me make sure my top is right. Alternating the curls. You don't want it to be a bump like that. You want the curl to be like a Shirley Temple. So you want to take the flat iron all the way through the hair and twist it and pull it down. That's what you wanted to do, because you wanted to have like a little flip at the end. Give it the messy look. It's coming out like I wanted. I was a little worried that it wasn't gonna come out right, but she doing what I need her to do. In the front, you just want to curl them all the same direction. I'm gonna use a little bit of my knot eraser in my parting space, just to make sure you can see it. Okay. Cindy Lou always trying to be seen. We don't want to see you today, Cindy. Ooh, Cindy. A teeny bit of my Sleek and Shine on the top here. Just a little, like, I say a teeny bit and still a lot came out. Just a little bit. Okay. Okay, and I think we are done, y'all. I can't see nothing. Ooh. My nose is opened up a little bit more though, so that's good. Okay, this tea is working. So y'all, I think we are done. I think it's giving me the look that I I think I like it, y'all. I want a defined bump right here. Let me just get this. Now we done, I think. This came out, I think it came out really cute. I'm really surprised. I like it. I do like it, and I'm loving like the wave curl that I got going on. The bang is cute. Look, y'all see that? The bang is really cute. Now that I know how to style it, I think razoring the side here and giving this more of a shape to my head helped a lot, because y'all, it was a little bit too much hair on the side that I wanted my part. So if you don't have a hair razor, get a hair razor. It definitely helped me a lot. The back I think looks really good. I don't know how it looks back there, so I'm hoping it looks okay. It feels like Kenny did a good job. The curls are really pretty for the look that I wanted. I really like it, y'all. I really do. Y'all, this this looks really good. I'm so excited. I'm so proud of myself and Kenny, because I know he's gonna be like, me too, I did something. Okay, we see you. The only con, or more so a preference, I wouldn't say it's a con, the only preference I would have for this unit is the hairline. I did have to go in and, you know, pluck it up a little bit more for my taste, but I know some people actually will rock their unit as is out the pack, and you can definitely style it like that. There's nothing wrong with the hairline at all. It wasn't super blocky, but I wanted it a little bit more plucked for me. The body that it has over here, like, it just looks good, okay? It looks good, okay? So I'm here for this one. I'm here for it. And Kenny said he likes it too, so we did that together, okay? My little shirt on. Okay, y'all see this shirt? Isn't this shirt cute, y'all? Pretty monster. Anything you see in this video, anything that I'm wearing in this video, we'll have links to it down below so you guys can check it out. I will put the direct link and the specs for my unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.